My name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a sprinkler pipe leak using only a knife. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. So this is drip line piping for sprinklers. This is 1/2-inch piping. It's a polyplastic stuff, and this is a T-fitting. Most of the time you'll see just a coupling on this, which is a 1/2 inch, and each piece goes into the side of the coupling. There's no glue on this. It's all held in place with a barb, and I don't know if you can see this damaged area here, but every time the sprinklers come on, this thing just sprays water. You can see the hole right there. So to separate this, it's kind of a back and forth, and put it in circles until it pops out, and there it is. You can see it wasn't in very far, about a 1/2 inch, and you can see how the damaged pipe is going to spray water like a geyser. So the fix for this, fortunately I have enough slack in this line right here. I can simply cut this out and make it a nice square cut, and be careful not to cut my finger. You can use anything sharp, even if you have a pocket knife, or they make pipe cutters that do a great job, and they're super safe. So once I get through this, make sure it's fairly square, and it is, no burrs. That's a pretty messed up piece right there. You can see daylight through it. Anyway, all you have to do now is stick this back in the hole. And like I said, fortunately I do have enough slack, otherwise I'd have to splice a piece in with 2 of these 1/2 inch couplings and 1 short piece of pipe. And the trick is to get it started. There we go. Back and forth, move it in circles. Now the thing on this with this T is that I've got a 3rd piece of pipe here that makes it kind of hard to move around. But if it was just a coupling, I could really have a whole lot of leeway to do this. Okay, so that's in good. And that's the repair. That's easy. All you do now, turn on the water, test it, make sure there's no other leaks. See you next time.